All right, so here we are again, 1994 Holiday Rambler Free Spirit camper trailer, and this is obviously the bathroom. And a couple of things with this. Now, we know at one time there was a leak underneath the sink that was supposedly fixed. I say supposedly because I'll show you what's going on with that. But first, we also think the toilet's been leaking. That's a moisture collector bag that was on a shelf in here. I just took it out and set it right there for right now. But the reason why I think the toilet's leaking is there's a little bit of rocking. And if you're using it, you can definitely kind of smell some funky stuff. So anyways, looking here at the floor, again, some nice little rotten chipboard down there. And of course we have a lovely hole. Now, as you can tell, it's pretty nasty down in there. So we're gonna have to clean all that out. The rotted floor does extend into the carpeted area just a little bit, right in here, and then I believe it may be up underneath the shower as well. So now I opened up the cabinet here. Now, a couple different things. This box here is nice and soft and mushy, and it shouldn't at all be that way. And it's pretty soft, about halfway down. Then, if we look at this shelf here, you can tell significant damage to it, to the point that it's kind of fallen down back there. Now, there's two screws over here helping to hold this shelf in, and we're going to be fixing that. And also, there is a little bit of a leak. Pretty steady flow. We will have to get that taken care of right now, so we can stop this rotting process that's going on. So this is the next project. Now, the floor, I was hoping to be able to remove and replace today. That's not going to happen. I did already order a new toilet for it. It's going to be, it will not be a foot pedal flush, but it'll be a hand flush. Same height though. And then we did cut a piece of plywood that goes on top of the floor, so it's still, everything's still functional. We just don't want to be falling through it at the moment. So thank you for watching. We will be back with more. Alright, so upon further inspection, the cold water side is also leaking. So we're gonna have to go get thread tape. Probably gonna have to pick up some WD-40 to try to get those screws out. They're not wanting to budge. There's so much rust on them, it's not even funny. Or find a way. One of the things that I'm considering is this board here actually extends underneath the cabinet. So one of the things that I'm actually considering doing is possibly removing this whole cabinetry, and then you know, most of it's pretty solid. I mean, I don't want to, you know, hack it out of here or anything like that. I just want to see if we can open up some more space. See if we can open up some more space by removing it. I know the cabinet doors, we can remove those pretty easily, and but just really have to be able to see the entire extent of the damage here. So that's why I'm considering actually removing the cabinet at this point in time. We'll have to do more more research on the shower part. This is a lot more extensive damage than what we first looked at. We knew it had some holes in the floor. We knew that there were a couple different water leaks over the years, and we knew that you know, it was certainly going to be a project. So as I sit back and try to figure out what's next, obviously we want to stop the leaks, and that is going to require some thread tape. We may actually want to install some cutoff valves on the hoses here themselves, just to be able to, you know, cut off water at certain points in the trailer. So that is one of the things that I'm considering right now, besides another trip to the hardware store.